Feeling overwhelmed with to-dos, social media planning, and scattered tasks? Let's fix that with Notion, your all-in-one productivity hub. Notion is a powerful free tool where you can organize everything: your tasks, content calendar, personal goals, and even team projects, all in one place. Let's start with a simple task tracker. Click plus New Pages Choose Table or Board and create your task list. You can add properties like task name, due date, priority, and status to do in progress or done. Notion also has amazing ready-made templates, from daily planners to project management tools. Just click Templates and search for what you need. You can customize any template to fit your workflow, add pages, change layouts, and adjust views. Now you can visually track every post from idea to published, all in one view. Need a daily or weekly task planner? Use the calendar or timeline view to schedule and organize your tasks over days or weeks. Whether you're a creator, freelancer, or just trying to stay organized, Notion helps you work smarter, not harder. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want a free Notion template I use. Link in the description to get started with Notion today.